Hannah Witton, and she is the queen of sex and relationships on YouTube. And how long have you lived in London for now?
5 years, coming up to 5 years. And for 2 of those years, I lived here in Shepherd's Bush. So we're going to take you around, and if you're ever in West London, in Shepherd's Bush specifically, we're going to show you some cool things to check out.
And I've never really covered this area before on Love in London, so I'm excited for you to show us some of the cool spots.
Me too. So we are at Westfield White City, which is one of the biggest, maybe even the biggest shopping centre in the UK, in Europe. Don't quote me on that.
Yeah.
But it's pretty damn big. And it's just got like so many shops, so many restaurants, such good food. It's even got this like mini golf place. So all of your needs can be fulfilled here.
Yes, all your shopping and food and drink and putt-putt needs.
Yeah, putt-putt needs. Da-da-da. We are at the O2 Shepherd's Bush Empire, and this place is an amazing gig venue for music and sometimes comedy even. They have so much on here.
Yeah, it's a good place to look up to see if there's going to be any shows that you want to see when you're visiting London, because it's not a huge venue, right?
No, but lots of amazing people have performed here. Billie Eilish performed here recently, and I've been to see shows here of my friend Dodie, and then also Jeremy Loops and the Avett Brothers, and probably some others. But yeah, I've seen a lot of shows here.
This is Shepherd's Bush Market, and this market has been here since 1914. It's a really big part of West London, isn't it?
Yeah, staple.
Yes.
It is an institution.
Yeah, it literally is. That's what it says on the website. But you can get like food here. There's a lot of fabrics you can buy. They even had rugs and prayers.
There's a pet shop.
A pet shop? Yes, there's a pet shop too.
Yeah, and right now we're standing in Old Laundry Yard, which opened just under a year ago when I was still living here, and we came to the launch of it. And all of these places that are currently closed are like food and drink vendors, and there's all this outdoor area. So when it's a nice sunny day, it's amazing to be out here and like try the different foods from like all around the world.
It's very closed right now. Usually.
That helps us with filming. Yeah. So just behind us is Uxbridge Road, which is the main road that runs from like the 2 tube stations, then also along Shepherd's Bush Green. And there are just so many shops and restaurants down this road. There's also Bush Theatre that has loads of plays on, and Bush Hall for more music. There's everything.
Yeah, I think there's all different types of restaurants down here. There's like Polish, Syrian, Thai, Chinese. It's like almost anything that you might want to get.
Everything that you could desire. So we are in my favorite pub, the Defector's Weld. It is incredible here. This was my local, would come here all of the time. If you're a beer drinker, they have an amazing beer selection, and they do a Sunday roast menu on a Sunday, obviously. And I also had my 25th birthday party upstairs.
Aww.
Yeah, that's cute. I love this place. It's so good. It's so good.
Okay, we have some more London tips for you.
Yeah, so over on my channel, Jess has given some of her best London date spot ideas, and so really excited to share those with you. You can click the video below to go watch that.
Yep, and thank you, Hannah, for showing us around Shepherd's Bush.
Thanks for having me. Nice. Cheers.
Cheers. Forgot to say.